Welcome back to another perfect product from Eseesmart. This is smart bike you like. You can use your fingerprint, physical key, application. You can charge it with USB, and there is status indicator, and this is waterproof. Let's open it and see what we have inside the box. Here is the user manual. Here we have the cable. It is very strong and unbreakable. Let's take this out. We have USB-A to USB-C charging cable and physical keys, 2 of them. There are 2 parts. Here is the U-lock, and this is the fingerprint section. Like that. Now it's on. We can lock it like that. And open it like that. Let's go ahead and hit the smart lock. Before you press on this, you can go ahead and press 1 time. Then it's going to be active. It's right there. And now we are adding it. I can go ahead and name X. Alrighty, here is the screen. After we add it, there is authorization management, fingerprint management, history record, and more features. We can go ahead and check authorization management. You can share this account and you can change the administrator. Let's go back, and there is fingerprint management. We can go ahead and add 1. You can add 20 of them. I'm just gonna put Y at fingerprint.
Please press the fingerprint on the fingerprint lock
5 times.
Please record again. Please record again. Please record again. Please record. Entry successful.
And just in case, I'm gonna add 1 more finger, Z.
Press the fingerprint on the. Please record. Please record again. Please record again. Please record again. Entry successful.
And entry is successful right now. Let's go back, and we're gonna go ahead and check mobile phone unlock records, fingerprint unlocking records, account sharing record, and link sharing records. Let me go ahead and unlock it with my fingerprint. Now it's unlocked. You can just take it out and you can lock it back. What about the other finger? And now it's unlocked. If I'm using different fingers and that's wrong, let's see what's gonna happen. I tried it, still nothing is happening. After I unlocked it with my fingerprint, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the application. Now it's unlocked. You can go ahead and put it, and it's gonna unlock, and it's gonna shut it down. It's because it wants to save the battery. When you press click in here, then it's gonna connect again. Now it's connected. If the battery is dead, you can use the physical keys to unlock it. Right there. Let's put it there. And now it's unlocked. Now it's locked. Make sure you're closing this area. It's because this is waterproof. There is another cool thing is you can share the account and administrator authorization, or you can give limited time authorization. You can add a friend, or you can just enroll another lock from your friend. You can do so many things. If you're going somewhere with your electric bike, for example, right here, and then you can just basically put it over here and you can get your lock. Unlock it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this. 1 is from that side, and we can take it from here to there, and then there, and put it right there and lock it. Now it's locked. Whenever you're done with your stuff, basically come over here and then press, because whenever you lock it, it's gonna shut down by itself. To save, then open it. and take it out. Take it from there. It's just gonna fold it by itself and put it there and lock it. Don't forget to close this area. Then get your bike and go wherever you want to go. This is not just for your bike. You can use this for the gates also and some other things. I can definitely suggest it. It's because you're able to use fingerprint and physical keys application. You can share the device with your loved ones and your friends, and also you can see who's locking or unlocking with the application. It is also waterproof. Let's see. I think that's enough. Make sure you dry your hands before you use, and then open this area. See, there is no water damage or water sign. Let me go ahead and unlock it. Just put it there, it's locked. When you see there are 4 LED lights there, each of them is representing 25% left. Now 100%.